Pixie World Market Guru. So, wish you all a happy Independence Day, and we will discuss about weekly levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty now. And we can see Indian markets are very bullish, and entire Earth is celebrating Indian Independence Day, and we will come back with the levels for this week. So, before I start the video, please subscribe the channel for daily updates, and in Instagram also you can follow us. Link is in the description, is already given. Cool. So if I'm talking about the Nifty is coming up with the amazing volumes here, and if I'm drawing a trend line which is in a daily time frame, which you can currently see, there is still a gap is more to fill in a daily time frame around if I am observing somewhere around more 117 points to fill, where we can see after that we can see a breakout levels. But what is happening in currently this situation, market is every time coming and checking this particular levels, and we will keep a bigger targets this time, where current if there is a proper breakout of this particular channel, then we can see our first target is around 17,862. I feel that tomorrow there will be a big gap up opening, and market will break this particular level. Second target is around 934, and third target is around 18,079. If 18,079 breaks, then we can see, if breaks and sustain, then we can see further up move 169, and after that directly to 18,332. If this particular level breaks, then we can see a ATH in Nifty. What if market is coming down in a daily time frame? If you observe, market might retest this level and come back to the same place where market give a closure at 17,753, and if it is not able to sustain, then we can see a further profit booking around the downside level. But currently we will only discuss this particular levels because market is very bullish, and let's not short the market in current trading sessions. So follow this same levels for intraday in a 15-minute range if it is looking very big for you, because there is no much resistance and support ahead for Nifty in this particular zone. This is basically a future uh, chart. So let me save this chart so I can send this to you in my groups to understand the levels. Cool. So before going to Bank Nifty, so let me open a Bank Nifty in the same time. What I suggest everyone, that see, whenever you are trading with the levels to levels, so keep a stop loss once you are in a better area of the rejection, where you can follow some of the numbers, where you will understand lot of benefits here. See, this is a Bank Nifty. Basically I'll remove all my levels which I given last week, and last week exactly market followed my levels. If I go into day time frame, and you can see every levels are perfectly market followed in last week. So let me remove all 14 in drawings which I made last week. So this week we will start fresh in a daily time frame. If I am seeing this particular zone, so market still have a gap here till the time we get a rejection from 39 to 32. Once this break, then we can see further upside momentum till 531, and the last resistance is 39,881. Above this we can see a further upside momentum, and we can see ATH around this particular zone, because Bank Nifty is very strong now. We have to wait for a proper breakout. So if I follow a trend line from this particular zone, market is already given a breakout and there is no retest happened. So we have to wait for some of the retest to take Bank Nifty very high. So let me remove this trend line, and let me see a smaller time frame trend line where market might go, because we are not predicting the market here, we are going with the probability of the movement. So if you observe this particular trend line zone, market took a rejection here, came down again, exactly at the same point market is holding up. Let's see what is happening in a 15-minute range. In a 15-minute range also, if you are observing same place what we are heading at, the same targets and same numbers, this is all upside targets and downside targets. Below this particular zone we can short the market bank nifty, and we can see a further target of around 688, and second is this particular swing low which is 408, and after that we can see further downside momentum for a retesting till 37,848. So this is for a weekly view, guys, and next video I am coming up with the, some of the stocks for the week, where you can observe and understand how the particular pattern works and what is the target and stop losses for the stocks. Cool, guys, that's all for today. Take a careful trades. All the best. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.